In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly insert your signature in DocuSign. If you've ever needed to sign documents online but weren't sure where to start, this guide is perfect for you. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. First, head over to the DocuSign website using your browser and log into your account. If you don't have one, create it first. This is important because your signature will be stored here for future use. Once inside, go to the agreement section where all documents needing your attention are listed. Find the document you want to sign, open it, and carefully review its details to make sure everything is correct. When ready, click on the signature option. If this is your first time, DocuSign will guide you to create a signature. You can draw it with your mouse, upload a handwritten one, or select from preset styles. After creating your signature, simply click in the signature field to place it, adjust if needed, and then hit finish. That's it. Your document is now signed electronically. And there you go. You've successfully added your signature in DocuSign. Keep practicing and it'll become second nature. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.